welcome again. This is an Engineering Mathematics 3 question paper, KNEC examination. I'm going to assist you today how to tackle question 1 of this paper, which talks about matrices. Okay, in this case, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. We are told, given the matrices A and B, determine the inverse of BA. Okay, we are going to first of all multiply these two matrices. We multiply A and B. Okay, do you know how to multiply a 3 by 3 matrix? I'm going to show you. You start multiplying the row and column like this. Let's say this 1 times 1, 1 times 1, plus 2 times 1, 2 times 1, plus negative 1 times negative 1. You come here again, you say this times this, so you leave a space, then say 1 times negative 1 plus 2 times negative 1 plus negative 1 times negative 2. You come here, this, you multiply by this, you say 1 times 1 plus 2 times negative 1 plus negative 1 times negative 1. Okay, you come to the next row, you repeat again this 1 times 1, 1 times 1 plus negative 1 times 1, 1 times 1 plus 1 times negative 1. Okay, go to the middle, this times this again, 1 times negative 1 plus negative 1 times negative 1 plus 1 times negative 1 times negative 2. Here, this and this, the last one, 1 times 1 plus negative 1 times negative 1 plus 1 times negative 1. You come to this one again, you do the same, this and this. First here, negative 1 times 1 plus 1 times 1 plus 1 times negative 1. You come here, this and this again, negative 1 times negative 1 plus 1 times negative 1 plus 1 times negative 2. Do the same here, negative 1 times 1 plus 1 times negative 1 plus 1 times negative 1. Then you put them like that. After calculating, I found for this one, for negative 1, this one, 0, this one, negative 1, this one, negative 2, this one, 1, then negative 1, this one, negative 2, this one, negative 3, this one. Then you use this, you put these signs here, positive, minus, positive, positive, minus, positive, minus, positive. They will assist us to know which signs come before. After multiplying these two, we have multiplied, we have gotten our multiplication here. We are coming to find now the determinant. The determinant of this matrix. How do we find the determinant? We come here, this one, we say, we use, now here is where we use this sign, we say positive 4 determinant, then you close this, you close this one, and pick these values, -2, 1, -2, -3. You come to the second, you start with this sign, negative. We are doing of this -1, -1. Say determinant. You close this, -1, 1, -1, -3. Then you come to the third, you say positive 0, that, you close that and that, you come here and say -1, -2, -1, -2. Then what do? You come here and multiply this minus this. So what am I saying? I'm saying, like here, you see 4 into bracket, -2 times -3 minus this, -2 times 1. You plus, after finding this, you plus with this and this is equals to plus, so that's why you plus. So plus 1 into bracket, -1 times -3 minus -1 times 1. You plus, of course, this, if you multiply any number multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. So what do you find here? You find, after calculating, you find here, you find 32 plus 4, you find 36. So our determinant is 36. We have found our determinant to be 36. So after finding the determinants, we find the C transpose. How do you find the C transpose? We come, how do you find the C transpose? Our BA is here. You include this sign. These signs will help you in knowing the signs. So first, we start by finding the cofactor of 4. So cofactor of 4. How do you find the cofactor of 4? You say, use this sign plus, you close this and this, you remain with -2, 1, -2, -3. Okay? Then you do the same. You multiply this minus multiplication of this. So -2 times -3 minus -2 minus 1. I think you'll come up with 8. Then you come and find the cofactor of -1. So we are dealing with row 1. Row 1 of this will come to row 2 and row 3. So what do? Cofactor of -1. When you're finding the cofactor of -1, you close this, and this. You remain with negative. -1. So this sign is negative. you put negative in front of it, so negative 1. So when you close this and this, you remain with negative 1, 1, negative 1, negative 3. So you do the same, you multiply this minus this, so you will find negative 4. You do the same, cofactor of 0, we come here, you close this and this, remain with, you start with this sign first, start with positive 0, you say, after closing this, you remain with negative 1, negative 2, negative 1, negative 2. So times this minus times this. So what do you get? You get 0, because any number multiplied by 0, you get 0. So this is row 1. Row 1, which is this. You do the same to row 2 and row 3. Okay. After doing the same to row 1 and row 3, so if here we got 8, here we get negative 4, here we got 0. So you replace this. After finding the C transpose, you replace this with its C transpose with their cofactors. So after replacing, calculating all and replacing, we'll come up with something like this. So C transpose is equals to 8, negative 4, 0, negative 3, negative 12, 12, negative 1, negative 4, negative 9. So what is now the AB inverse? AB inverse is equals to 1 over determinant of AB times C transpose. So AB inverse, what is the determinant? We got our determinant to be 36. So our determinant we got to be 36. So 1 over 36 times our C transpose is here. 8, negative 4, 0, negative 3, negative 12, 12, negative 1, negative 4, negative 9. So you multiply this to get our AB inverse.